Hello everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Aston Barrett remembered as a jovial spirit, a father, brother, son, friend to some, but to many, a family man. The late bassist with Bob Marley and a member of the Wailers received a heartfelt celebration on Tuesday at the National Indoor Sports Centre as members of the music fraternity paid their final respects. Speaking prior to the service, his daughter Aisha Barrett recalled him as being jovial and forgiving.
He's just a jolly guy. Like, he doesn't stay mad for long. It doesn't matter what you do to him. Like, he doesn't have any bone of anger. You know, like, it's just like, for him, it's just like he lives his life just to be happy and that other people are happy too. Very loving, big-hearted guy.
She also shared her favorite memory with Barrett.
Growing up as a little girl, he's always telling me I want to sing, and he's always just keep telling me to find your key. And I didn't understand what that meant. But obviously he was trying to tell me to find myself, you know, my personality, figure out who you are and be yourself and just be unique.
While his son, Aston Barrett Jr., remembered him as being a great teacher.
Everything I know is him. You know, he teach me everything that I know. And today, you know, some days the emotion goes up and it goes down, but keeping my emotion up full because we have to keep him up high.
Minister of Culture and Entertainment Olivia Grange, who was also in attendance, shared that Jamaica has lost another musical stalwart.
Aston, as the backbone of the band, with Bob Marley, they created music that united the world, that penetrated all corners of the world. And for Jamaica, a little country like Jamaica, with a population under 3 million, we have had a great impact on the world because of their work.
The celebration was conducted by the Ethiopian Orthodox Church and saw musical tributes from Julian Marley, Max Romeo, Naomi Cowan, Bongo Herman, Nadine Sutherland, Aston Barrett Jr. and the Wailers. In 2020, Rolling Stone named Family Man as one of the 50 greatest bassists of all time, and the following year, the Jamaican government honored him with bestowing him with the Order of Distinction Commander Class. Family Man passed away earlier last month. Jamaica to get a Musical Museum Hall of Fame. Speaking on TVJ's Smile Jamaica program earlier this week, Professor of Culture, Gender and Society at the University of the West Indies, Dr. Donna Hope, says conversations are ongoing to erect a physical Jamaica Music Museum Hall of Fame.
There are still plans afoot to break ground for a physical Jamaica Music Museum Hall of Fame. A physical place where people, Jamaicans at home and in the diaspora, visitors, tourists, people who love Jamaican music, can walk into a building and see artifacts and see information and touch things.
Her comment comes days after the Reggae Gold Awards, which saw several musical icons being inducted into the Jamaica Music Museum Hall of Fame. Currently, a physical Hall of Fame does not exist. Last year, Minister of Culture and Entertainment Olivia Grange stated that the Jamaican government is committed to establishing a state-of-the-art Reggae Hall of Fame Museum and Performance Arts Center in Kingston. That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.